Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for API series. In the previous video we saw about how to update a resource with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so in this video we are going to see delete. So in the first video we created a resource that is post. Okay, the next video we retrieved a resource and we saw. In third video we updated a resource and we saw, and after updating you also used get to see whether the right resource been updated or not. And in this video we are going to see how to delete a resource. So hope you have watched all the previous videos from the basic installation to creating a resource to retrieving a resource to updating a resource. Okay, so the same pet store API endpoint, we are going to use it, and we are going to see now how to delete a resource and check whether the resource has been deleted or not. Okay, so we are going to see how whether that resource is can be deleted, and we also see whether validate and see whether it's deleted or not. Okay, so for that let me create another test now. I'll name it as delete test. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to use async here, delete request. Okay, now I just given a test case name there, the description of that, and next one is I given async. Okay, I've added async. Okay, and then I'm going to use the fixture here, that is a request, which we did in the previous videos. So kindly go through the previous videos, right? If you directly watch this video, I think you will not able to right listen to it. Okay, so kindly go through the previous videos. Okay, now let me add a curly bracket here. So first we created a test here and described and given a description as a delete request, and we are added the request playwright fixture here. Okay, so the playwright fixture request used to write with that fixture, we can use all the get, post, put, delete methods, and the body, query param, all the methods can be accessed or used with help of the request fixture. Okay, now same thing what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to create a right a reference variable called res. Okay, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, instead of get, this time I'm going to use delete. Okay, so we are going to delete a resource and see. Okay, so as I told you, we are going to use the endpoint, that is the pet store. Okay, so let me copy this one and I will paste it. Okay, so I'm going to use the pet store id. Okay, okay, so I'm going to use it, and then I'm going to close the bracket and give a semicolon here. So now the pet store right endpoint is been added here. So now right, it's going to store it in a reference called as res. Okay, now we'll retrieve the status and see. So it's going to delete that particular id, whatever id we created, what id we created initially, 1235. It's going to delete the particular 1235 id, and we are going to check validate and see whether it's been deleted or not. For that, let me first check the status code, what status code is retrieving. Okay, for that I'll give res dot status and the status method. Okay, and it should be right, we use to be method to validate whether it's you are getting true or not, otherwise it is going to fail. Okay, so we use expect for validation in the playwright. Okay, so I'll use console for printing it, console.log. Okay, and I'm going to print a message called as pet deleted. Okay, and I'm going to write print the write pet id. Okay, so I'm going to print the pet id variable which we created earlier in the very first video. Okay, so pet id 12345. So initially we added let me explain it later. Let me finish it off. Okay, so pet id. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, right, I'm going to close the bracket. Okay, so here we added one test case. It's for deleting and async request. Rest await. It's going to await till the request is passed. Request dot delete method, and I'm going to share the endpoint. Endpoint will have a base URI and then the resource and the parameter. Okay, so in the pet id I'm passing as a dynamic id which we stored earlier. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, right, after right deleting, I'll check whether the right um, the id has been deleted or not. For that we'll again do a get and see. Okay, so we are going to again do a get and see. Okay, for that what I'll do is I'll do a smart work here and just copy. Okay, and I'll paste it here. I'm going to see. Okay, add. I'm going to test a get request pet id deleted or not. Pet id pet deleted. Okay, I'm going to use async request and I'm going to use await dot request. Okay, and add a request, and instead of get, see what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete and see confirm whether it's been deleted or not. Okay, for that I'm using the get method, then the same endpoint I'm going to use it. One is a base URI, one is a resource, and next one is a pet id. Okay, now it will delete it and store it in a reference. I will check whether what will be the status code now. It's going to be 404 since the right pet id has been deleted. So I'm going to validate whether I'm getting the 404, yeah, or not. Okay, now I'll just give just pet id is deleted, right? So I'm going to give, so I'm going to add the bracket and close it. Okay, so this is going to check whether the right pet id has been deleted. Okay, and it's going to print the status code, validate whether 404 is displaying. So right, it's not found. Okay, so we are going to check it. So let me explain the code from first. So we added constant. One is test and expect. Test is for adding all the test hooks. One is test shoot and the test and describe. Before all comes under the test. Next one is expect. We have done different validations for post, get, put, and delete. For that I have added request, expect, and then I use the playwright runner for adding a require. Okay, so from that we are going to add the fixtures and call the different methods. Okay, first is I'm added a shoot, that is crude API test. In that I initiated which id I'm going to retrieve. For that I'm used 1234 id. Then I used a hook so that it calls before all the test. Okay, before all it's going to call at every test. So I created a resource with the help of post request. There I passed the endpoint and I stored in a reference called res, and I used the header called content type application JSON, and I passed the request and I validated here. This we saw of the previous video. Then after that I retrieved it with the help of get. After that I update a resource with the help of put method. Okay, what I updated, I changed the name and the status and I ran it. So and I checked it, validated whether the Joshi and sold has been updated or not. This we all saw in the previous video. Now in this video I'm going to add, right, the delete request and see right whether that particular updated resource has been deleted, and I'll retrain and see whether the 404 status is coming, that is not found. Okay, let us save it. Okay, now let me go to a terminal. Go to the terminal, then I'll give in terminal cd test. Okay, So then, sorry, I'm going to give you 1 minute. So already there in test. Okay, let me give npx playwright. Okay, test. Okay, let me run it. I didn't save it. Okay, see all the test case passed. Okay, first it did create with the hooks, then it retrieved 1 2 3 4 5, then in updated it updated Joshi and sold, and it checked whether the updation is been done or not. It passed, and then it deleted a request, and right you can see the ID has been deleted. Okay, so this is how we can do test all the four CRUD operations, that is post, get, put and delete with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so you can see the get passed, put passed, and again updated resource has been done, a request has been deleted, and it came 404, it validated 404. So if it is validated 404 is passed, then the id has been deleted. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and in the coming videos we are going to add a bdd right framework. We are going to set up a framework from the scratch and learn. Okay, hope you are going to watch the next videos also. Thank you.